What is up, YouTube? I am really excited today because I have put something together that I've never done before. This is going to be a brand new masterclass. It's a series, frequently asked questions about making money online. Yes, that's really the title of this new masterclass, and it's going to be based on what you actually want to hear. So here's the deal. I have questions that people have asked me over the years. And I'm going to put together at the same time that I'm doing this video, there's going to be a masterclass I put together that's going to be posted here on the channel. Probably right after this thing premieres, you're going to see the masterclass posted as well. I will put up a link to it in this video. You'll see the link later on. And there's going to be 5 questions that are frequently asked questions that I'm going to be answering. No pitch or anything like that. It's actual pure content. 5 questions. Now, here's the deal though. I recently got a chance to check out a new course called Mayday Payday from my friends Vic and Tom. Really cool course, really enjoyed it. Some really interesting stuff there that I hadn't thought of. So, to make this really interesting, pick up Mayday Payday. I'm going to show you how to do it, by the way, for $7. Okay, for $7, you're going to pick a Mayday Payday, and you're going to get the entire 7-video series for free. This is brand new stuff, never seen before. I haven't even made it yet as I'm recording this video. I'm doing the first 5. As soon as this video is done, by the time you see it, by the time you see this video, it will be up. The next 6 videos. There's going to be a total of 7 videos. Each one's going to have 5 questions. It's going to be based on what you want. You're going to tell me in the comments what you want to hear about. And in order to get those 30 questions, those 6 videos, you're going to pick up Mayday Payday for $7. But I'm going to sweeten the deal for you because I'm also going to give you a whole bunch of courses that you're going to get for free along with this brand new masterclass. Plus, when you pick up Mayday Payday for $7, again, $7, I'm going to give you PLR to that first video. So the first video is going to be up on the channel. You're going to have PLR rights to sell it, give it away, use it, buzz, whatever you want. Okay, now pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to give you PLR to the entire master class. I know that's really cool. Let's get into this. I want to tell you more about this. It's all coming up in my review of Mayday Payday. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull one successfully. Well, I mean by Buddy Neal over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as the cheese that I bought last week. You know, it's actually starting to get moldy. I'm really annoyed. Spent a lot of money. I like cheese. It's a thing with me. And the stuff is sitting in my refrigerator getting moldy. I don't know why. It's not really stale. It's just bad. And my jokes can be pretty bad. I admit that. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, basically what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, it's enough. Okay, really, it's enough. Do you know how annoying that guy is all the time? Yakety, same thing every day. You'd think he would finally give it up, but no, he can't give it up. Anyhow, seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my ad to the product creator. If I don't, bad luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. What can I say? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because if you to subscribe, doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for Mayday Payday. It's from my friends Vic and Tom. Now, this is a really cool course with some fresh ideas that I have not seen anywhere else before. So as I said, I really liked this course. I found it really interesting. Now, I'm going to show you how to get it for $7. Just bear with me until the end of the video. I'm going to show you what to do. First, I want to reiterate about my bonus here because this is a bonus I've never done before. We're trying an experiment here. It may flop. It may be great. I'm putting up a brand new masterclass. There's going to be 7 videos in the masterclass, 7. So that's 2 plus 7, okay? 7 total, all right? You're going to get 7 videos in this masterclass, frequently asked questions about affiliate marketing and making money online. That's the name of the class. The first 5 videos, the first 5 questions, the first video of the course, you're going to be able to see here on the channel. It's going to be up probably within a few minutes of this video uploading to the channel. Okay, you're going to be able to see it right away. All right, that first 5 questions you're going to see right away. But I want your help. So first of all, what I want you to do is comment down below or send me an email. Let me know what other questions you'd like to have answered. All right, these first 5 questions are going to be answered based on things that people have written to me over the years. And then the additional questions, the next 30, I have stuff that people have sent me. So if nobody sent me anything, I've still got material to put together. But if people send me questions, I will make sure to prioritize the questions that you guys send me. And I want to answer your questions, not just random questions that people have asked me over the past couple of years that I've been doing this business. And if you don't know who I am, by the way, I am a 6-figure marketer. I have done, I think it's closing on 10,000 sales now. So I do know a thing or two about making money online, about being able to drive traffic and things like that. And so you're going to I think you're really going to love the first 5 questions that I'm going to be covering in the masterclass. It's going to be really, really cool stuff. All right, and that's going to be posted to the channel right away. If you want the next 6 videos in the series, then pick up Mayday Payday for $7. I'm going to show you how to do it in just a moment to get it for $7. It's usually at 12. I'm going to show you how to get it for 7. All right, and then you're also going to get PLR to that first video of the masterclass. If you want PLR to the remainder of the masterclass, the entire thing, all 5 videos, all 7 videos rather. Okay, each one is going to be 5 questions. There's 35 questions total. It's going to be 7 videos, and you're going to get access to all 7 of them as a bonus for picking up Mayday Payday for $7. But if you want PLR, and by the way, if you pick up Mayday Payday for $7, you also get PLR to that first video that you're going to be seeing available on the channel shortly. But if you want PLR to all 7 videos, pick up any upgrade to Mayday Payday. I can't make it fairer than that. I mean, seriously, $7 in order to get access to this brand new masterclass that I'm creating. Okay, nobody else does something like that. You're going to get it for $7, okay? And if you pick up any upgrade, you'll also get PLR to the entire masterclass. So I want to show you how to get this for $7. Basically, what you can do with this, all you do is try to exit, okay? When you try to exit, make sure your pop-ups are not disabled, all right? Because if pop-ups are disabled, you may not see this. Just try to exit, and you can just click here, and basically, it's going to give you the whole thing for $7, all right? I can show you right now if you're interested. Take a look. I can see it here. Okay, $7. Okay, this is serious. Get it for $7 instead of paying 12 and change, whatever it is, $12.93. I think they're asking for it. $7 you're going to get it for. Okay, that's a real bargain, and you're going to get PLR to the first 5 questions, the first video of the series, and you're going to get access to the remainder of the series. Plus, if you pick up any upgrade, you're going to get PLR to the full series. Okay, now, this is the members area. You can see here. Let me just show it to you real quick because I'm kind of like started going through the whole thing. I'll go ahead and log in here. So you can see it's a basic members area. It's not too strenuous. We're talking about a half a dozen modules, basically, not even half a dozen modules. There's a module on free traffic. Okay, this is the one you really want to be watching, by the way, the full system module. Okay, this blew my mind. It really, really great stuff. The case study, if you're into case studies, I'm not a big fan of case studies because I'd rather just see the method and see what to do and then start implementing it. But if you want to see it having been implemented, this is very, very good to watch. The method overview, gives a good introduction. This thing is pretty much a waste of my time. I thought to watch, but you can welcome to watch maybe the introduction. And this is basically just to get upgrades if you want to purchase any upgrades to Mayday Payday. And again, if you purchase any upgrade, you get PLR to the entire masterclass that I am creating. All right, and this is just support. That's nothing important. So this basically is 5 videos. It's a very, very simple thing to go ahead and watch the whole thing and really get into the whole business and really start to make serious money off of this method. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip manager the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? I mean, seriously. Yeah, this one is awesome, okay? And for $7, you really can't go wrong. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.